Is your external component, the Video Subtitle Filter DLL, not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish DirectShow Subtitle Filter, DirectVobSub links. Before we begin our video subtitle filter troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the Video Subtitle Filter, a specialized library for the DirectVobSub Vsfilter subtitle renderer. It manages the localized rendering of high-resolution subtitles, SSA and ASS, over video streams. If missing, media players will fail to display styled subtitles, or the system may report a DirectShow filter load error when attempting to play video files with external subtitle tracks. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Because Video Subtitle Filter DLL is a proprietary component linked to the DirectShow Subtitle Filter, DirectVobSub system, a standard Windows repair will not find it, so you must reinstall the program where the error occurred to replace the file. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Video Subtitle Filter component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If you're still getting the missing interface error after the reboot, let's re-register the file in the system hive. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, legacy interfaces require an active registry entry to be recognized by the OS. Registering the file creates the necessary pointer for the software to initialize the component. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Safety first. Never attempt to replace Video Subtitle Filter DLL with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining Video Subtitle Filter. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Video Subtitle Filter was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.